Teen skincare, 16 proven strategies. It's nothing unexpected that skin inflammation breakouts and pimples have come thumping at your entryway. Recognizing the skin type difference between teens and adults. Teen skincare, its significance. Teenage skincare advice. What skin issues do teenagers typically have? The frequency of renewal does, however, decrease as you approach your adolescence. Following a skin analysis, Skincraft makes product recommendations that are suitable for your skin. Avoid using soap, unless it is designed exclusively for face washing, because it might irritate your skin's pores, leading to acne and pimples. Use a daily cleanser with salicylic acid if you have oily or normal, combination skin to reduce excessive oil production and boost moisture. Just like your face, your lips need care too. To unclog your pores and stop future breakouts, treat your skin with a tropical product containing adapalene after washing it. Use salicylic acid-containing treatments to get rid of germs and dead skin cells. In part, oily skin may be inherited, but for certain people, it may also be brought on by hormonal changes that result in excessive oil production.